Hi everybody, review time. This is something new I'm doing. This is going to be called Tony's rating of cold leftovers that were all in the fridge from yesterday and the day before's food that we made. First thing I have here is my delicious rendition of Kathy's cold noodle salad. This is fire. I love this. It's got peppers, celery, onions, sour cream, noodles, garlic, and a number of spices. Yum, yum. Let me get a bite. Oh, yeah. This is even better than the second day. This is fire. 9.2 on the cold noodle salad. Yum, yum. Love it, love it, love it. All right. Up top, my mother made some broccoli rabe, which sometimes I absolutely hate. Sometimes I like. It can be really bitter, or if you make it with like lemon, garlic, and oil, you get some of the bitterness out. I don't know about this, guys. I'm kind of scared to even try it. Looks like mush mash. All right. It's supposed to be really good for you. We will see. I'm going to try it out. I'm going in. Hold on. All right. It's still a little bitter, but my mother seemed to have cooked out the bitterness. It's really not that bad. It's not great. I'm not crazy about it, but I could actually eat this on like a nice piece of hard Italian bread. This is pretty good, guys. I gotta go 8.1 on this. I mean, it's worth trying. It's not great, not my favorite thing in the world, but it's pretty good and pretty good for you. All right. On the bottom, what we have here is I made spaghetti, thin spaghetti with Vincent's in New York sauce last week. We had froze it. Last night, I heated some up for my wife. Here is the leftover. Let me give it a try, see how it is cold. Not bad. I'll tell you something crazy. This is better now than it was when I first made it. I like this a lot, actually, guys. This could be a great breakfast. This would be a great hangover breakfast. Cold pasta with Vincent sauce. Yeah, this is really good. I'll go 8.5 on the cold pasta, guys. It's really good. It's fire. I like it. All right, here we've got these egg and broccoli and vegetable. It's like egg whites things that we get from Costco. I forgot what they're called, like egg beaters or something like that. I'm gonna try them out cold. My wife swears by these things. Like, she eats them all the time. You see, it's got a lot of vegetables. Got egg. It's all held together. Let me try it out. It's okay. It needs hot sauce or ketchup. It's got potential. I'll give it a 7.7. It's got potential. All right. That's this edition of eating leftover cold food for breakfast. You enjoyed this video, please click like, subscribe to my channel, share this video. Everybody have a great day.